Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Friday. It's sunny here in Chicago, but we're expected to get a blast of snow and cold weather over the weekend. So kind of reminds us that weather does change in the Midwest during the year. The 2-week forecast, the first week actually looks for more rain, but maybe the temperatures warm up. And then the second week, we come back with colder temperatures, and again, precip could be above normal. As far as the markets are concerned overnight, beans are down a little bit. Corn is also down a little bit. Wheat's about unchanged. U.S. dollar's higher. Crude is lower. Looks like stocks should open up lower. Also, stocks should open up higher. There's a lot of uncertainty. You see a lot of articles written about too much commodity supply around the world, and that could put the world into a recession if the trade volume doesn't pick up. We see increasing global tension. Talk that in December the Fed could raise interest rates, the dollar's going to continue to work higher, and that we've got right now normal rains. All these things keep the trade choppy and offers resistance to the prices. For the week, soybean prices are about unchanged from Friday's close. We had a pretty narrow range. We saw the funds net short the soybean positions. They added to those short positions. It looks like Brazil weather's okay. We'll be watching the Argentina elections to see what that impact has on their export tax, farmers selling, and the amount of supply they put onto the marketplace. This week, soybean meal drifted lower on concern about that, while soybean oil prices worked a little bit higher. Corn prices drifted a little bit higher this week. I think there was good export sales for both corn and sorghum, and the farmer is not selling. That's helping cash prices. And we did see a little talk about the uncertainty of the U.S. 2016 weather, as people beginning to look at actually starting to buy a little bit of corn long call option volatility. Wheat is wheat. Rains around the world is improving the outlook for the 2016 crops. Lack of export trade interest is offset by the talk Ukraine might have a lower crop. And the lower U.S. soft red runner wheat 2015 quality is helping Chicago continue to have a premium over KC and Minneapolis. So the funds yesterday were small net buyers. We estimate they're short about 50,000 beans, maybe 55,000 corn, and 26,000 wheat, going into the time of year when seasonally we have a little bit of a bounce. So the key, we'll be watching global economic trends. We'll be watching the Argentina election. We'll be watching global weather, and we'll be watching some of the technical signals given that the funds are net short right now. Hope everybody has a good weekend. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.